In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a trifold brochure in Microsoft Word step by step, using a simple template-based approach that saves time and makes the process much easier. If you need a brochure for school, business, events, products, or a presentation, this method will help you create a polished layout without starting from scratch. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the top left and click File, then select New. This is where you can create a new document from a blank page or choose a ready-made template. In the search box, type brochure or trifold brochure. Word will now show you a list of brochure templates designed to fit a three-panel layout. Take a moment to browse through the options and look for one that matches the style you want. Some templates are more professional, some are more colorful, and others are better for school or marketing use. Once you find a template you like, click it to preview the layout. Then select Create to open it in a new document. After the template loads, you'll see placeholder text and sample images already arranged inside the brochure. This is the easiest part because all you need to do is replace the sample content with your own. Click inside any text box and start typing your own information. You can add your business name, headline, contact details, services, event information, or anything else your brochure needs to communicate. If there are images you want to change, click on the placeholder image and replace it with your own logo or photo. You can do this by right-clicking the image area, choosing Change Picture if available, and then selecting a file from your computer. As you update the content, keep in mind that a trifold brochure usually has 3 panels on each side, so you want the most important information to stand out clearly. Put your main headline on the front panel, add supporting details on the inside panels, and use the back panel for contact information or a call to action. It also helps to keep your wording short and easy to read, because brochures work best when they are clean, organized, and visually balanced. If you need to adjust the text, you can change the font size, color, and alignment from the Home tab in Word. You can also bold key phrases to make them stand out. If the spacing looks off, use the toolbar to fix the alignment and make sure each section fits neatly inside its box. At this point, you can also swap out colors or background elements if the template allows it, so your brochure matches your brand or theme. Once everything looks good, scroll through each panel carefully and check for spelling mistakes, layout issues, or any content that feels too crowded. This final review is important, because trifold brochures have a limited amount of space, so every section should look intentional and professional. When you're happy with the design, save your brochure so you don't lose your work. You can also export it as a PDF if you want to print it or share it easily with others. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a trifold brochure in Microsoft Word using a simple template and a few easy edits. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.